ever felt like your mind is completely full, like a storm is constantly raging inside you? Even when everything seems fine on the outside, your thoughts, worries, and unfinished tasks keep piling up. Imagine sitting down to relax, but instead of calm, your mind keeps whispering reminders, fears, and what ifs. That's the inner chaos we all carry, silently, every day. Today, we will explore why this happens and how to slowly organize your inner world to finally feel calm and in control. Step 1. Admit your inner chaos. The first step is simple but powerful. Admit that your mind isn't okay. This is not weakness, it's courage. Most people feel tired or stressed, but few admit it out loud. Think of it like a messy room. If you ignore the mess, it never goes away. But once you see it clearly, you can start cleaning. Say to yourself, something is bothering me, and I want to understand it. That's the start of real change. Step 2. Understand the nature of chaos. Inner chaos is not just one thought. It's a mix of many things. Unfinished thoughts and tasks, bottled up emotions, bad habits repeated daily, stress from work or study, draining relationships, constant comparison with others, fear of change or uncertainty about the future. These things accumulate silently, and over time, your mind becomes noisy, making even simple decisions stressful. Example, imagine a computer running 20 programs at once. It's slow, noisy, and overwhelming. That's your mind when all these programs are running at the same time. Step 3. Notice how your body reacts. Chaos affects your body first, even before you realize it. Trouble sleeping, headaches, fatigue, fast heartbeat, neck or shoulder pain, forgetfulness, loss of focus. Your body is sending signals. It's time to organize your life, calm your mind, and your body will follow. Tip: next time you feel tense, pause and ask yourself, what is overwhelming you right now? Step 4. Identify the source. Ask yourself honest questions. What truly bothers me? Who or what drains me? What have I been avoiding for too long? Write down your answers. Seeing things on paper moves emotions from the dark into the light, making them easier to handle. Example, you've been postponing a difficult conversation. Writing it down makes it easier to plan and act. Step 6. Close open files. Inner chaos grows from unfinished tasks, not just big problems. A call you need to make, a small space that needs organizing, an apology or clarification you've delayed. Start by closing one task at a time. Every small completion creates new space in your mind. Example, clear your desk for 10 minutes today. That small act reduces mental clutter more than you think. Step 7. Set boundaries. Sometimes chaos comes from outside. People who constantly criticize, draining relationships, never-ending notifications. Healthy boundaries are key. Say no when needed. Protect your time. Limit unnecessary distractions. Boundaries are not selfish. They are a way to protect your peace. Step 8. Watch your habits. Some daily habits quietly destroy calm. Sleeping late, checking your phone first thing in the morning, following negative news, comparing yourself to others, eating unhealthy food, sitting too long, wasting time on meaningless arguments. Even changing one habit at a time can slowly reduce chaos in your mind. Step 9. Spend time in silence. Give yourself 15 minutes of real silence every day. No phone, no music, no talking. Sit quietly, breathe, and listen to your inner thoughts. Let your mind empty, let your emotions appear without resistance. This simple practice reorganizes your inner layers one by one. Step 10. Reset your daily rhythm. Calmness comes from healthy routines. Enough sleep, nutritious meals, a tidy environment, light daily movement, gradual task completion, quiet reflection or meditation. A consistent daily rhythm creates calm step by step. Example, start your day with a 10-minute reflection instead of scrolling your phone. You'll notice a difference in focus and mood. Step 10. Strengthen your faith or inner connection. Nothing calms the mind like a connection with God or your inner self. prayer, or reflection, trust that life is guided, accepting what you cannot control. The closer you get to this connection, the calmer your mind becomes. Faith or spiritual practice gives clarity and inner peace. Calmness is not temporary. It's like a plant. You need to nurture it daily. Avoid what drains you, respect your time, maintain small positive habits. Check in with yourself regularly. Strengthening your spiritual connection. Organizing inner chaos doesn't need huge effort. It starts with clarity, courage, small daily steps. Day by day, you reclaim your peace part by part until you can confidently say, I understand myself and I know how to organize my life inside. What one small step will you take today to start organizing your inner chaos? Share it in the comments. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss a guide to a calmer, more peaceful life.